Next, number 6. 6, less than M passengers. Hiraya, what is the keyword? Less than. And less than is for? What operation is that? Minus. Very good. O, number 6 na tayo. Magma-minus daw tayo. Ano kaya yung ima-minus natin? Ay, E at the back. M minus. Very good. We have M minus 6. Ma'am, bakit nauna yung M? Kasi nga may word na done. Mauna to, M. Then, minus 6. Next, number 7. Z, chocolates divided by 7 person. Okay, what is the keyword? Oh, yes, Iha. Divided by, and what operation is that? Division or divide. Magdi-divide tayo. Okay. What do you think will be the algebraic expression of that statement? Oh, yes, again. Iha? Very good. Z divided by 7. O, nung elementary kayo, paano ba isulat yon? Z divided by 7. Tama pa rin po yan. Pero ngayon, ang gagamitin na natin ay fraction form. So, we can write this as Z divided by 7. Pwede siya gamitin as fraction. Pwede rin naman as ratio. Z divided by 7. Lahat po yan ay tama. Question. Okay, next. Number 8. Half of and kilograms of meat. First, what is the keyword? Of. Diba? Ang of ay for. What operation is that? Very good, multiplication. Oh, we're going to multiply what? Half of n kilograms of meat. What do you think will be the algebraic expression of that statement? Oh, Silva.
2n.
Okay, so number 8. So half. When we say half, what's that? Ano sa Tagalog yung half? Kalahati. O ano sa fraction yun? 1/2. Very good. Then mo multiply kay n. Kasi si n is for the kilograms of meat. So this is the answer. 1/2 n. Or we can write this as n over 2. Because 1 times n is n. Then copy the denominator.